Hey guys, I just want to come real quick and show y'all this fast little DIY, and it's basically making your own little sanitizing wipes, if you want to call it. And you just need about like really two things, but if you want to make it even more luxurious, you can add other things to it. So all you're going to need is buy you some wipes, okay? And this basically is like if your hands are dirty and you just want to wipe your hands clean and sanitize them at the same time. You can also do these with Clorox. Make you some Clorox wipes to wipe down stuff if you want to do it that way. But it's easier. All you need to do is buy a pack of wipes. You want to buy something that's not scented, sensitive. And these are the ones I just picked up, the Natural Care Huggies. You can buy any ones you want, guys. It's not that technical. And that's it. And what you want to do is make sure you have alcohol. And I do have the alcohol, which I'm using the rubbing alcohol, 91%. You can use 70, but I prefer 91 to 99% because it's stronger and it works better. If you want a little moisturizer in it, you can get you some vitamin E oil. I think I bought this from Dollar General. And also, if you want to make a scent to it, you can add any array of essential oils to it. I got lavender. You can add peppermint, lemon. It depends on what your nose want to smell, and tea tree. And basically, all these are good for a nice, good smelling wipe for your body. If you want to wipe your face, you want to wipe your hands, your arms, any part of your body, you can use this because it's safe. Okay? No harsh chemicals at all. Because you want some kind of moisturizer in it, guys, to keep the alcohol from drying your skin out after you sanitize it. And if you want to add more moisture to it, you don't have no oil, you can use glycerin. And also glycerin will keep this pack moisture too. Keep it moisture. And you can just turn it upside down when you're done with it. So let's just go ahead and quickly start this. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Brand new pack, not used. Okay, and what you can do, you can get you a cup. You can mix this all up if you want to make sure your mixture is good. Got this little bowl right here that I'm going to mix everything. Make sure you sanitize this real good. I sprayed some alcohol in it because you know this be laying around and dust be all in it and stuff like that. So just spray it down with some alcohol, wipe it clean. Like that. It air dries, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put this to the side. And what you're going to do is pour your alcohol. Depends on how big your pack is because you want that to sink in real good. I got a half a bottle, which I'm just going to pour almost all of that in there, y'all. Now your wipes is already moisturized, so you don't need to add any water, guys. Don't add any water. Now it depends if you want the glycerin. I'll add a little glycerin because I do want to have some kind of moisture stays in there because alcohol does evaporate. You can add your vitamin E for a little oil. A couple of drops. You don't have to go all heavy on it. And your favorite oil. So I think I'm going to go with the I'm gonna go with the lemon. You want to do, if you're very sensitive, go with something that's not too strong. Some people can't tolerate the lavender, so don't do lavender. You can do lemon. It's very calm and subtle. You can do lime, which is good too. And you just do a couple of drops. This is strong, so you don't want to do too many drops, okay? You can mix this how how you want to do it. And you just get you like a stick or something, a spoon. I'm spraying my spoon down with alcohol. Make sure it's sanitized too. Wipe it down, spray it, wipe it down, and spray it again. Okay? And we're just gonna stir this up, guys. Just to distribute everything. I should have used like a sprout measuring cup. That would have been better. Because we don't want to make a mess. We don't want to waste any of this. Ooh, let me smell. Ooh. Smell like lemons. As though it's not too potent. Okay, what we're going to do is bring this over and we're going to pour it in here. I know I'm going to spill it, but hey. Okay, I'm going to tilt it over like this. Oh, I'm spilling it. Look, I spilled it out. Wipe that up, guys. So don't make that mistake, guys, because you waste all your goodies on this mat, even though this mat probably needed a cleaning up. Okay, let me take my time this time because I kind of went overboard and spilled it. Okay. And after you do that, what you're going to do is massage it all over. Close it up. And squeeze. So you kind of distribute it everywhere. Okay, pour the rest of it in there. And you really don't need that much, guys. I just put a lot in there because this pack is pretty big. It's like 56 tissues in there, and you really want it to be soaked because you know this will sit up and you know alcohol evaporates a lot, and you got the moisture from the glycerin. And also I think they did have some I don't know if, no, it only had water in here. This is for sensitive. No vitamin E's, no nothing in here, no oils or nothing. So it's going to stay moisturized with the glycerin I put in there, the essential oils I put in there. And you want to keep this up for about a day so everything can sink to the bottom. And then once everything sinks to the bottom, you want to keep rotating it. Yeah, I ain't wasting none of this. I'm gonna put the rest of this in there. Even though I wasted some of it, but so make sure you put it in a spout that it doesn't, you know, something like a measuring cup that got no, not a measuring cup, the glass measuring cups, y'all. Look, my lemon essential oil sitting on there. That's why you got to stir that up real good. Okay, we're going to close that up. These bags keep sealed really good, so it don't have no leaking in through it. So I didn't waste no more, y'all. It was hard to pour it, but you just gotta be slow about it. But be smart. Don't work harder than you have to. And all you do, guys, is just massage it. That's it. Just massage it. And you have your own little sanitizing wipes. So, because a lot of these wipes, it's hard to find wipes that's antibacterial. So, you know, you can make your own, you know, and you get a whole lot. Most of the time when you do find the antibacterial ones, it's that little travel size pack. And you know, I make one of these. I put one of them in my car. You know, I put one of them in my car. I leave them around the house for my kids to use. You know, bring it to work. Because you be touching a lot of environment out there. Don't know what you're touching out there in the atmosphere. In local places. And that's it, guys. You have your very own sanitizing wipes. Like if you sore or something, you know, you not at home where your hubby, your significant other can rub you down, you can make this and also use this penetrating rub for relief of pain and everything. Make you some wipes out of it. Pour some of this in there, some moisturizer. And you have some, you know, some wipe it on your skin for pain and relief of aches and muscles. Yeah. All right, guys. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.